Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2023 Triumph Bonneville Bobber. This 1200cc torque monster just arrived with only 9,900 miles on the odometer, just serviced. Beautiful condition with this cool retro style. It's got the fork boots, brand new rear tire. This thing is just cool. ABS brakes, fuel injected, liquid cooled. Come on by and make your bobber dreams come true for just $99.99. This bike is not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.